presents lovely decor showcasing colorful splash and creative ideas. Paint chips are not only items that will ease us in choosing the right paint color. These items are specifically important for the decor lovers. By keeping updating the chips for every year or even months, it would be not surprising to see these items stacking on the drawers, left unattended. Thus, today we will take you to see some lovely decor ideas by reusing these colorful and lovely paint chips. The good news is the decor can be easily made as your DIY project as well. Related to this situation, there are actually many fantastic and brilliant creative lovely decor design ideas using the paint chips. For example is this marvelous wall art, showcasing the stylish and trendy geometric pattern will do great. You can play with your creativity sense by mix and matching the colors. You can even try this wonderful umber color shade. Diamond or triangles will be cool, but simply use the rectangular shape wouldn't be a bad idea as well. Just take a look at this piece. And to make this wall decor looks appropriate, you will only need to frame this piece, and hang it on your wall space. Not only great for wall space, the paint chips decor would be fantastic on your coffee table as well. All you need is a lovely coffee table and super sticky glue. And voila! You can take a look at this adorable piece, showcasing the umber shades from deep blue to the brightest orange. Aren't those colors lovely and fascinating? Other way, you can also use the paint chips and shape them in beautiful floral one. Then, you will have to prepare the styrofoam balls and sticky glue. And the final result is really fantastic, isn't it? It would be really great in your dining table as well. Shine out the lights with the extraordinary creative lovely decor idea. Look at this beautiful work, presenting a wonderful chandelier in adorable and lovely pastel pink color. All you need is the subtle metal frame and transform it to be a dazzling and twinkling chandelier or lampshade with the help of the lovely paint chips you have. As you can see, this DIY project showcases the medallion-shaped paint chips. But, you can go for other shape and other color as well.